Hi, this is Kevin with KGMG, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, I didn't have much time to play today. I am tonight, so hopefully I'll be able to get into Bronze 1 or even Silver 3 tonight. But I did complete the watercress this morning, so let's go ahead and claim the daily reward and see what I got. I got a card yesterday. That was nice. And the day before that, I got 1 credit, which I think you can't do any worse than 1 credit. I don't think that's possible. 19, okay. So that's good. We'll add that to there. And that gives me a total of 32 credits. Okay, so that's done. Let's go look. The numbers are pretty much the same as yesterday. This is something new I'm going to show every day. It's the signups. We were up a little bit from 900 something to 1,041. Spellbooks sold yesterday, 74. That doesn't mean it's all from the new signups. That could be, the 74 could be from people who signed up months ago, but that's how many were bought. And that's been pretty much the going, anywhere between 50 and 100. Players, 356,195. That's up about 5,000, maybe 10. Market cap is down just a little bit from 150 million. Cards purchased, 122,381. And the SPS was down on average 11.1. And DEC times 100 is 14.7 cents. So we're still, I think we've kind of found the bottom. We've been at these kind of numbers for quite a while now. And let's go back over here and look at my peak monster. Total 750 right now. It was 755 when I started earlier, but my CP has gone up, which is good. And I'm getting nice rental at the beginning of the season. For what I got, that's not bad at all. It's very competitive, especially I got a lot of the reward stuff, so everybody's renting it. So for me to even have this much, it's kind of shocking. 137 cards, 36.38 in the box. And let's go look at my numbers for the day. Splinterlands to 10,000. This is not financial advice. This is my own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join on any of the links below. It helps me out. Here's the rules I go by. Day 121. I stopped buying packs at 129 because I was only getting 50 cents average value out of the packs right now because the price is just so low. And that was really hurting my numbers. And plus with the direct buy out of the market with the $10 investment that I do every other day. So I will put $10 in. I'm actually going to do it in tonight, but it will count for tomorrow. The reason I put it in early is for the bonus on SPS that I get. But that will count for the 4th and the 5th. So every other day I'm putting in $10. I've invested a total of $724. And I'm going to go slow here. You can pause this. I started filming on the 2nd of February, but we'll go to the bottom and I'll explain what all these numbers are. So yesterday or today, asset values is 755. Cards 137, 36.38 in the box. That means that's how many cards it took to make those 137. Collection point 105,236, same as yesterday. It's a record, all-time record, and it will be higher tomorrow. $91 free SPS. Total profit, if I walk today, $133 after paying myself back before taxes. My actual lowest profit total was a couple weeks ago at 131, so we're coming up on it. If we have another drop tonight, that's probably going to go down even more. But we should start heading up once the markets come back, which everything's down right now, so we're just waiting and all that. Let's take a look at my last battle, which I lost. As you can see, I won that one. I won the last 3, 4. I won the last 4 out of 5. But before that, I lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the first one. I didn't win at all for the first 9 battles. Very discouraging, especially when you're in a hurry trying to get out of the house. But it is what it is. And I am going to try to implement. I've watched some more YouTube videos of some guys who recommended some strategies on the cards. I'm going to try to find those and buy them with my $10 tonight and implement those and see if I have any better luck. So if they do work, I might be up to silver 1. Now remember, 2 seasons ago, I was at silver 1. And then this past season, I barely made silver 3. So something changed. I don't know what it is. More better players. I don't know. Everybody goes on and on about the bots. My take on the bots is yes, they're there. They're definitely there. This could be a guy, Lee 805, Trump 184. That's probably definitely a guy. Actually, these could be all real people. But I bet you when I start losing a lot, you're going to get some weird names. No, those are David. These might all be, like that could be a bot. Food 22240. That one right there is definitely a bot. Probably 80% chance. And actually, I thought, you see how similar they are? I don't know. But the point I'm making about the bots is bots suck when I lose. Okay? When I win, I don't care. So it is what it is. And there is some proof that there's a lot of trade winning going on. And that's when they play themselves so that even though one of their guys loses, the other one wins, the other account. So, yeah, I got the one account to worry about. That's all I can handle. I don't know how they do it. You must really know some computer stuff to be able to bot like that. But let's look at the last battle I did was I lost. What I always do is when I finally win my final battle and complete my quest, I go ahead and keep fighting until I lose. And we'll take a look at it here and see how I did. And then I'm going to end it. And this is me on the bottom. And that's him on the top. I think it was only 13 mana allowed, so. All right, so right away they start beating up on my guy, and those are magic. So he gets by my shield. And then the earthquake hurts. So there goes all my armor. Now he's gone. But the magic guys are going to kill me. Trample was nice. I got some of the shield down. So that guy's gone. And he's going to lose he's gone. And these guys, of course, aren't. And I miss. How does a 5 miss against a 2? Oh, because he's got the flight. He's got the flight ability. And that's all she wrote. Yeah, okay. Magic's good at getting around shields, unless it's got a ability to let it not do that. So it's a learning process. And I'll tell you what, I'm getting more into the game. I'll be honest, when I first came over here, I did the affiliate program. I'm an affiliate marketer. And the game's just grown on me. And it's gotten bigger and bigger as far as I'm starting to really realize the strategy into the game is a lot more complex. When you first play it, you take it for granted. Oh, it's just you just line the cards up and go to battle. The first one, no, it's a lot more complex than that. And you might have all the right cards, but if they're not in the right order, that can be devastating. So you really got to know where to put the cards in those lines, and only experience is going to give you that. It can kind of be taught, but you kind of don't know what the guy you're battling against is doing. So it's like, the NFL football game where the defense is putting out some strategy in the offense and they're trying to outplay each other. And sometimes you just get lucky and all that. The guy totally messed up his system and didn't match up good to you. So it's all about matchups, pretty much. But anyway, that's it. That's all I got for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a nice night.